So here we have a new battery charger pack, battery pack that we're gonna put onto this vacuum here, this Dyson vacuum. So one thing I did notice about that is this new one has a 226.8 watt hours, WH, that stands for watt hours. That's gonna allow a 60 to 90 minute runtime with the vacuum, whereas this Dyson one actually only has, if you look really close there, it has a 91 WH, which is 91 watt hours, which is going to only allow 20 to 40 minutes runtime with the vacuum. So much shorter time. So you also get a replacement filter with the battery pack. I'm very happy to get one of these because I definitely needed one. I was vacuuming up powder stuff. I need to wash it and clean it and let it dry. But in the meantime, I can still vacuum and put a new one on and not have to worry about while it's drying and airing out, because I got one with it, and you just put it over the top and then twist it on, and then you're good to go, and you can start line it up and you can start vacuuming right away. And now this one can be washed and dried and cleaned while the other one is being used. So as far as removing the existing battery from your Dyson vacuum, it sits on it like this. All I did was push the button right here, and then I lifted it up and it slid right out. So for this one, I'm gonna push this on here. This is the new one. Clip it on. Super easy, you're good to go. You get the blue light there and you can start vacuuming, and it's all put together. You don't gotta worry about it, and you can vacuum much longer now.